Hi and welcome to our final sewing tutorial of 2025. To finish the year in style and get ready for the festivities, I'm showing you how to make this elegant party outfit. We'll be sewing it using the Simplicity S9820 pattern. It includes a fitted dress and a bolero. I used this metallic knit fabric. You also need fusible interfacing, an invisible zipper, a 2 cm wide piece of elastic, and your usual sewing notions. After cutting out all my pieces, I serged the side edges of the dress. Then I placed the back pieces on the front, right sides together, pin the side seams, sew them, and press the seams open. Next, I'm going to sew the invisible zipper at the back. Feel free to check out our dedicated invisible zipper tutorial for more details. I pinned the zipper tapes to the edges of the center back. Mark the bottom of the zipper so both sides start at the same point. And sew it in place using an invisible zipper foot. Then I finished stitching the center back seam. Now I prepare the facing band. First, I fuse the interfacing to the facing pieces. Then I place them right sides together and sew the side seams. I press the seams open and serge the lower edge of the facing. I place the facing along the top edge of the dress, right sides together, matching the side seams. I start sewing along the short edge of the facing that sits beside the zipper, pivot, and stitch across the top edge. Then I place the elastic along the seam allowance of this top seam, starting 2.5 cm from the center back, and stitch it in place. I clip the corners, trim the seam allowances, and turn the facing to the inside. To keep it in place, I understitch the seam allowance and the facing together very close to the seam. Then I press it and hand stitch the facing to the side seam allowance of the dress. To finish the dress, I serge the bottom edge, press it, and sew the hem. Now on to the bolero. I started by serging the center back edges. Then I place the pieces right sides together, sew the seam, and press it open. Next, I take the right front piece, the one with the pointed end, and attach the front facing, whose vertical edge I already serged. I sew them right sides together, clip the corners, trim the seam allowances, and turn it right side out. I place the bolero fronts on the back, right sides together, pin the sleeves, sew them, and serge the seam allowances together. I also serge the neckline, bottom edge, and sleeve hems. I press the sleeve hems and the top and bottom edges of the bolero up by 1.5 cm and stitch the hems in place. Now let's prepare the front tie. I fold the strip lengthwise, sew the long edge, turn it right side out, and press it with the seam centered on the back. I fold the strip in half, sew the short ends together, and serge the edges. I sew 2 rows of gathering stitches along the left front edge, pull the threads to gather it, and place the knot loop underneath, front sides together. I stitch them together, then pull the loop over the gathered edge to form the knot. All that's left is to slide the pointed end of the right front into the loop and tighten the knot. And there you go, our festive outfit is complete. It looks stunning, yet it's surprisingly simple and quick to make. We've truly enjoyed bringing you fabric build tutorials throughout 2025. We wish you a wonderful holiday season and we'll see you next year with even more projects.